Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm gonna make a really quick and easy breakfast casserole. I'm actually making it for my husband's work. So I'm gonna whip this up this morning and take it down to the office. They're having a little breakfast this morning. So I wanted it to have tons of flavor. So I got some chorizo. It's gonna be kind of like a Tex-Mex with cilantro, and I have some bell pepper. And then I'm also gonna add in some diced green chilies. These are so awesome. These are the fire roasted ones. You can also get ones with little pieces of jalapeno to give it a little bit more spice. But lots of eggs, some cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna do a keto recipe for this one. So low carb, and it'll be delicious with tons of flavor with the chorizo. So I'm gonna get this breakfast casserole made up.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is cook up this pork chorizo. So chorizo has tons of flavor. It's got a spice to it, really good in burritos also. So my husband wanted this casserole to be on the spicy side. So it's gonna have the chorizo and all kinds of peppers in it, and it's gonna be really good, but it's gonna have a little kick to it as well. So I'm just gonna mix up the chorizo and I'm just gonna brown it so it's cooked all the way through. And it's a little bit greasy, so I will drain the grease before I put it into the breakfast casserole. So the chorizo's cooked, and now I'm going to cook up my peppers. I just have some diced bell pepper. I have some green and some red. So I'm just gonna cook these up and soften them before I put them into the egg dish. I'm just gonna stir them around with some olive oil that was heated in the pan, and then these are only gonna take a few minutes, about 5 to 6 minutes, to get them just a little bit soft so they're not too crunchy in the breakfast casserole. But these are really awesome. So I'm going to use 10 eggs. I'm just gonna put them in my bowl and I will whisk them up, and I'm going to add in a cup of heavy whipping cream as well. And then these eggs will be ready to go into the Pyrex dish. So my oven is preheating right now to 350 degrees. And so once I have this all made up, it'll cook in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's all the way done. I'm going to add in the diced green chilies. I love diced green chilies in egg casseroles. It just gives it really awesome flavor, especially it'll add to the chorizo and the peppers and make this so good. So I have my casserole dish, and I'm going to spray it with cooking spray really good so that the egg just comes right off when it's cut off into pieces. So I'm gonna first add in the chorizo, and I'm just going to kind of pour it in and then spread it evenly around the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna add in my bell peppers that are cooked and nice and soft. I love bell peppers with egg dishes. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to pour in the egg mixture, and then, like I said, I'm only going to bake this. Actually, I'm going to put cheese on first. So I'm going to have my shredded cheddar cheese. I'll add that on top, and then once this is all added on, I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then it'll be all ready to go, and I will have my husband take this down to his work, and hopefully they enjoy it. I'm going to add some avocado on top and some cilantro. You can also add, what's really good is sour cream. A little bit of sour cream drizzle on this will be awesome. So this is really good and super easy. I love breakfast casseroles because they're so easy, and then you just pop them in the oven and they are ready to go. So most of my recipes on my channel are keto friendly, low carb. So if you enjoy keto low carb recipes, click subscribe, put a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching.